Hello everyone, so I'm back today to do an unboxing of Love for Food and Nature Box. So I get these two boxes every month. Love for Food is $9.99, and I think a percentage of their profits, or no, it's every box you order, you get every month, feeds a kid. This one does. This is Love for Food. And then Nature Box, I'm on the plan that's 3 packages once a month for like $13. And it all comes out of your bank account or whatever. So let's start with Love for Food. And they send you, there's a lot of healthy stuff in here, like all natural stuff, non-GMO, organic, stuff like that. And they send you a little card. And the card says, "Seize the Day Tasting Box." Very cute. Very cute. Um, just has like stuff about coupons and little information about feedback and stuff like that. So the first thing I noticed in here is Truvia calorie-free sweetener from the stevia leaf. My grandmother uses this because she's diabetic. There is 7 little packets in here. This is kind of cool because I guess you could drop it in your purse if they don't have like the type of sweetener you use when you go to out to eat or whatever. So that's the first thing in there. Then there is, oh, I'm gonna say this wrong. I think it's Purolene. These are little cream-filled wafers. It's little wafers. Then there is organic My Super Cookies. These are little in the flavor Honey Heroes. It's all natural, organic, whole grain, made with coconut oil and chia seeds, 16 grams of whole grains, and 100% nut free. That's pretty cool. Oh, protein powder from Aloha. This is true chocolate. This is organic, non-GMO, and plant-based. I'm actually really trying to get into like healthier eating, so this actually might turn out to be good. True chocolate. Oh, supposed to be a good source of protein. And then there is Dave's Sweet Tooth Milk Chocolate. Oh, it's toffee. So the back shows a picture of like the toffee. So it's toffee. And usually a lot of these places are like private companies. They're not like big companies like Nabisco or anything. They're little companies. So then there is a couple of these. It feels like a toffee. I can't see the name though, because I'm gonna just show them to you. They're like, this one is espresso, this one is creamy latte, little toffees, candies. There's like 2 of those in there. There is Lily's dark chocolate. And a peanut butter and chocolate bar, like kind of like a Nutri-Grain bar from Bakery on Main. So there's that. This actually looks interesting. Kind of see on the back the detail. And last but not least, this. Wait, nope, there's something else in here. This is Sea Salt Rice Chips by Lundenberg. So these are rice chips in sea salt flavor. I feel like a lot of this stuff you find at like Whole Foods or like Sprouts. I find a lot of this stuff's at, like the Whole Food place in Sprouts. I see in here a little sample of the Truvia nectar. Like, I think it's kind of like that agave nectar, agave syrup you get from Sprouts or whatever. That's like a sugar replacement. So a little sample of that, a little recipe for some sweet tea. And then they have in the bottom a coupon, a couple coupons for, the Aloha. And it gives a recipe on the back and the praline coupon. So that's it for that box. So pretty good little box. You get different stuff every month, and then you go online and you can do reviews. So you can say what you don't like and what you like the most. And they give you points for your reviews that you can use in their store to buy more stuff. And so that was this box, Loveful Food. And then my nature box always comes in this big brown box. Now, nature box, you can actually go on and specify what you want every month. You go on their website and you can pick out different stuff. And they always send you a little paper, your address and stuff on it, and then what you picked out. You can even go ahead of time and list things you want in like order or whatever, and then they send you off your list, however much your monthly plan is. So I ordered peanut butter nom noms, mini peanut butter oat cookies. We're gonna open it because you can open these. I don't want to open the other ones because I share those with my grandma. I like to let her try out some stuff too, and those are like all single use. These are more bulk type things. So they look. Oh, first you get the awesomest smell of peanut butter, and they look like this. And it says just some information on the back. There's nuts in these. I think I just ate a pistachio. If you love peanut butter, these are so good. We got oatmeal in it too. Next up is crispy coconut squares. I remember putting this on my list because I absolutely love coconut. So I can get it open. So it looks like this. I don't know why I expected this to be soft. This tastes like you would take like, you know, the bags of coconut. It tastes like you took the bags of coconut and just toasted it on the stove. You know how you just put in the skillet and let it toast up? It's so good. To be honest, I haven't had anything bad from them yet, so Last but certainly not least is Honey Barbecue Crunch. This is honey roasted and barbecue flavored nuts and pretzels. So there's peanuts and pretzels, cashews. I don't see any other type, and different spices and stuff. I love cashews too, so hope this has a good taste of barbecue flavor. Is it me, or have you noticed that sometimes when stuff says it's barbecue flavored, it don't really taste like barbecue? I don't smell barbecue. So when you pull it out, it looks like that. You get the honey taste first before you get the barbecue. But at least the pretzels aren't real big. See? Pretzels are small. So that's it. That's all I have for today. For my nature box. My love for food box. These two right here. I'm gonna get a picture in there. Thank you for watching, guys. And I will be back soon with something else for you.